All right, let's talk about Apple and Trading Nation. Holding up relatively well as the tech sector overall, like everything else, pretty much slides. Is this kind of a safe haven stock right now? Craig Johnson with Piper Jaffray, Gina Sanchez, Chantico Global. What do you think, Gina? Would Apple be kind of a haven in the storm?
Well, Apple has sort of come to a very mature place in its life cycle, and so to some degree, you know, you're looking at a company that pulls in a tremendous amount of revenue every single quarter. So at a time like this, those kinds of you know, relatively stable knowns, and you know, I think that people are very attached to, you know, their cell phones, their iPads, and interestingly, you know, you will see that people will let go of a lot of things before they let go of their cell phone or their kind of phone coverage. And so that's important. I think that you could hide out in Apple as this kind of melts down around because it is fairly stable and mature.
What do you think, Craig? Would you agree with that on the charts? Can you, quote, hide out in Apple and be, you know, have a margin of safety, maybe not pure safety, but at least more than the rest of the market?
Brian, I think Gina's exactly right. This is definitely a safe haven trade. I've had a lot of conversations with a lot of PMs, and Apple is a hiding spot. They've got a lot of cash. You haven't got any sort of technical breakdown happening on the charts. All you've done is pull back to a longer-term uptrend support line. It's not extended like a lot of other names are inside the technology sector, like Microsoft and Google and some of these other kind of names. Also keep in mind that if this market does start to sell off, they've got a lot of money to buy back their own stock. So I think this is going to be a really good spot and a really good safe haven trade for investors at this point in time.
All right, relatively good safe haven trade. I know Apple also very important, guys, because of its size. It is the heaviest weighted stock in a number of major ETFs. So if it holds up, it could help the whole market. Craig Johnson, Gina Sanchez, thank you both very much. And folks, as always, thank you for watching Trading Nation.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.